In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first 4K a month with CPAlead, and I'm going to show you how to do this for absolutely free. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started and start earning passive income online with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, the first thing you want to do is to come over to CPAlead.com. As you can see right here, you are going to get paid when people install apps and complete offers. And I'm going to show you how to do this for free. So once you come over to this platform, all you need to do is to click on the sign up button to create an account. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And this is where you are going to see various offers that you can start promoting, and you're going to see how much you're going to earn for each of these offers. So now I'm going to show you a specific offer that anyone can get started with and use to make money on CPAlead. So you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in app karma. So once you type this in the search section, as you can see right here, this is an app that gives people reward. If you go over to Google and type in app karma, you can see this is an actual app on the App Store that gives people rewards and credit when people complete tasks inside the app, as you can see right here. Okay, people get paid via gift card, PayPal, and all that. So you want to go back to your CPAlead account, and as you can see right here, this is going to pay $1.50 if they install this app. And as you can see, this app is available in various countries with various payouts. You can see this one is available in Spain, France, Italy, and Netherlands, and you're going to get paid $1.22. So I'm going to show you how to promote this offer and make money. And also keep in mind, you can see it's also available in United States, and you're going to get paid $1.39 for anyone who install and use this app. I'll go over to TikTok to grab content, and I'm going to show you how to take advantage and make a lot of money with TikTok videos. So as you can see right here, the content of this page is in English. And now if we go back to the CPA offers, you can see right here, it's one conversion from France, Italy, and Spain. Okay, so now all you need to do from here, you want to convert your TikTok account to the language of that offer. So now if we want to target France, all you need to do is to come over to the URL section and you want to type in FR. So once you type this is going to convert your account to French. So now the next step is to come over to Google Translate. All you need to do is to type in Google Translate on Google, and it's going to bring you to this page. And here you want to change this translated language from English, and you want to change it to French. All right, since we want to target people in France. So you want to come over here and you want to type in how to make money. Since we know when people install the app, they get a chance to make money completing tasks in the app. All you need to do is to copy the translation and you want to paste it in the search section of your TikTok account. And once you do this, this is going to show you a lot of videos that you can use to promote this offer. All right, as you can see right here, these are a lot of videos you can use. All you need to do is to download these videos by clicking on the videos, and you want to copy the link to this video. And once you copy the link, you want to head over to this website called snaptik.app. So once you come over to this website, all you need to do is to paste in the link and you want to click on download. So if you do this, this is going to remove the TikTok watermark from that video. So while the video is downloading, you want to go over to canva.com and make a very simple video like this, as you can see right here, which has a QR code underneath this video. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So once you come over to canva.com, all you need to do is to click on social media. So once you do that, all you need to do is to import the TikTok video you downloaded like this. So once you import the video, then you want to go back to Google Translate again, and you want to change this text to something like scan this QR code to earn 100 euros. So once you type this is going to captivate people's attention to want to scan the QR code. So you want to copy the translation and go back to your Canva account and you want to click on this text. So once you click on this text, you want to drag it and drop it right here, and you want to come to the effect section and you want to click on this background. So once you click on this is where you want to then paste in the translated text like this. So once you do that, you want to decrease the duration of this video to about 10 seconds so that you can use as multiple parts of this video as possible. All right, so once you do this, all you then need to do from here is to then go over to this website called QR Code generator.com. This is where you want to convert the CPA link into a QR code. All you need to do is to come back to your CPAlead account and copy your affiliate link. So once you copy your affiliate link, all you need to do is to paste in the affiliate link right here. So once you paste in your affiliate link right here, you are going to see this download button. All you need to do is to click on this download and you download your QR code right away. So once your QR code has been downloaded to your device, you want to paste it underneath the video, something like this. So once you have this, all you then need to do from here is to click on the share button, and you want to click on this download button to download this video to your device right away. So once that is done, then you want to create a TikTok account and you want to re-upload these videos back to TikTok. And you want to also take advantage of using Instagram Reels as well, and also YouTube Shorts and Facebook Reel. And I can assure you, the more you post this content on this platform, the more traffic you're going to get. As you can see, these videos are getting millions and thousands of views already, as you can see right here. Okay, so this is a very simple method you can use to get a lot of traffic from TikTok for absolutely free and start driving traffic to this offer. And when people sign up, you make $1.22. And also keep in mind, like I said, you can promote this offer to any country of your choice, as you can see right here. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.